Good afternoon, it's Robert Miller with C-Days Travel. I wanted to take a moment to show you some packing I'm going to be doing. We're doing a quick, about 5 days, 1 day of travel and then 5 days there, a trip to Indy to see some family. It's going to be a very casual trip, so I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for packing and my strategy. Okay, so this is again going to be very casual, will not be formal at all. So I am packing primarily shorts. I got 3 pair, 3 t-shirts, 2 collared shirts. In case we do go out, we're probably going to go out to a casual restaurant, maybe pizza or something. So I do want to be prepared for that. For exercise, I've got several tank tops, a couple pair of running shorts. They do have a pool, so I'm sure they're going to be wanting to, grandkids are going to be wanting to get in the pools. So I've got my trunks, and then I've got 1 extra pair of long pants. All my socks, underwear. I do really like using packing cubes, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything packed up in the cubes. I'm going to do it a little different this time. I'm going to use my old school distressed leather bag as my primary suitcase, which is going to be kind of fun. I'm working off our cdays.info. If you go to cdays.info, there's a link for a warm weather and a cold weather packing list, if that can come in handy for you. Now for the day, tomorrow morning for the flight, I'm going to wear my dressier shoes, just a t-shirt, long pants. I am going to take my puffer jacket. The weather shows that it's going to be plenty warm enough, but just in case morning's cool, airplane's cold, Julia gets cold and needs something to cover up with, I'll have that available. And then of course my walking shoes, I'll wear those, and then the flip-flops for around the pool. Okay, this worked out great. I was able to easily use just 3 packing cubes to get everything in. And no problem getting all 3 packing cubes. My other 2 pair of shoes, everything fit just fine in the distressed leather bag. Okay, everything is packed. That's my main bag ready to go. That'll be carry-on. I won't be checking anything. I'm going to do a separate video, so watch for that shortly. I'm going to do one on my dot bag that I carry with all my toiletries, medications, and that's a area that people make a lot of mistakes on, so I'm going to go ahead and do a quick little separate video because I feel it's pretty important. And then I'm also going to have my backpack, which will be, this is a camera backpack, but it doubles for a few other items as well as any electronics that I want to bring along. Okay, Robert Miller, C-Days Travel. Appreciate you watching.